Hello, I'm Lucy and I'm here on the set of Home Practice. And I'm here to tell you about the new series of Home Practice that's going to be coming in the new year. We've decided to refresh, reframe, shake things up a little bit so that we can all practice at home in the new year. We've tweaked our access so that we can reach as many disabled people as possible. Big shout out to our Access Working Group who supported us with that. We've also been practicing our teaching so that we could unpack how to create better online dance classes. And we've also decided to offer up some shorter episodes for dancers who just have a lot to fit in. We've also decided to add a theme or a focus to our series of Home Practice. And the first series that's going to be coming out is based on our stage production Artificial Things that's on the GCSE anthology. We've loved hearing from GCSE students and GCSE teachers how they've been tuning into Home Practice, and so we thought we'd pay back with a series that's dedicated to artificial things. There's repertoire, exercises, creative tasks and an audio class for you to get stuck into. Now, you don't have to have experienced artificial things or studied it. You don't even have to have taken your GCSEs to participate in Home Practice. This is a great series for everyone. If you're new to Home Practice and this is the first series you're going to try out, why not try out Christian Brinklow's Hands episodes? Or if you're an old hand, maybe dive straight into Amy's repertoire or Tom Goodwin's audio class. If you're really desperate to get started and you just want to go straight away, head to our YouTube channel, Stopgap's YouTube channel, look up Home Practice, and there are loads of episodes for you to explore. We've got fast and fierce, slow and exploratory, comic, creative episodes for you to enjoy. So don't hang around, listen to me, get practicing at home with Stopgap's Home Practice.